everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I am working on another ocean pour, beach pour. This is on a 16 by 16 inch canvas that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm making some up for a show that I have in a couple weeks, so I'm trying to get some made up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. I do have the back all taped up, a little bit of cardboard in between there to kind of give a little bit more, stabilize the center a little bit so it doesn't sink in. So I'm just going to go ahead and put down my sand. I get this sand from Hobby Lobby as well. It's over by like the glass fillers for like plants or whatever. I try to get it as close as I can, and then I pour some resin on. I've seen it done different ways, where some people put the resin on first and then put the sand on. I don't know. I'm kind of liking to do it this way. It keeps it from moving around as much. Alright, so sometimes when you have the resin on there first, for me, I tend to make a bigger mess. So you just got to do whatever works for you. Now I think with this one, because I like to put a little bit of crystals in mine as well, like when on my beach, when I have when I put my shells and stuff down, and that as well is just something preference that I like to do. I like to add some crystals to mine. So this one, I believe I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'm kind of deciding, undecided here yet, if I'm going to just do some amethyst, just do some rose quartz. Kind of undecided. Give me 1 second here, and I'm going to show you the colors that I'm going to use. I'm using, these are eye candy pigments. This is Noken, N-O-K-O-N. I could be pronouncing it wrong. I'm terrible at pronouncing words, but this is Noken Blue. Very beautiful, deep blue color. The next one will be Eye Candy's Dark Ocean Blue, which is a really pretty color blue as well. And then, never going to be able to pronounce this one. It's O-K-I-N-A-W-A blue. Kind of more of a turquoisey blue. Very beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful color. I'll show you one that I did that has that turquoisey blue on the bottom. Kind of by the beach. I did this one, and I think it's beautiful together. So I'm going to kind of do something similar to that. All right, so I got everything mixed up here. And then for my white, I'm using their paste. Satori white is what I believe it is. It's S-A-T-O-R-I, and it's a paste. I really like this for my waves. I love it. It's such a deep white. It's beautiful. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I'm saying us because Pink is here. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. I apologize that I'm making a few of the beach pours, probably more than I normally would, just because I have a show a craft show coming up, and kind of sell a lot of the beach ones, so and I'm all out, so I need to get some made up. All right, so and I just kind of put this on, and then I use my gloved hand and I kind of just smear it in together. I mean, obviously you can do it however you prefer. This is just kind of how I like to do it. It just kind of works for me. But like I said, you gotta just kind of figure out what you like and do it how, what, you know, you like. It's your art. So you gotta do whatever works for you. Because I've seen this done in so many different ways from different people, different artists that do everything so differently. And I don't think there's any right way or wrong way to do it. If you get the end result that you like and you're happy with, it's not wrong. Not I don't think so. You just kind of got to do whatever, you know? A little bit more. This turquoise at the bottom, I love it, but I like to kind of get in a little bit of the other blue, the second color, the deep ocean blue. I just like how they blend together. Okay. Now I'll get my heat gun out here, and then I'll kind of make sure we get all the bubbles.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do.
I do like my white to be a little bit thicker, so I do let that resin set. I mix it up as right when I do every of the other colors, so it kind of has that little bit of thickness to the resin, and it makes cool lacing. You get some cells once in a while, but it just gives, I don't know, just a beautiful effect.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't God. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you, cause we gotta go our own way.
You have to tell me what you think. I like this with just the amethyst. My other one, I did a little bit of different crystals. So just look at that sparkle in there. How beautiful is that? I love eye candy's pigments. They're just gorgeous. Look at all that lacing in the waves. Beautiful. That's so cool. The cells there. But I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm trying to get some made for this show upcoming. So I do thank you guys for watching. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe and just healthy in general. And have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.